Hey, what's up, world? What's up, world? I'm here to, do a quick review off of this new camera I just got in the mail today that I just ordered. And it's the Mitsuba hdc-505 high definition camcorder slash camera slash webcam slash video, not video, voice recorder slash MP3, MP4 player. Google it. Mitsuba, MITSUBA hdc-505 multi camcorder. As a matter of fact, let me turn on the light so you can see the quality. The other light, this is pretty decent for the price that I paid. I'm not gonna tell you what the price is yet. Maybe in the next video. I want you to Google it for yourself. There's a couple people on YouTube talking about that this camera is not, it's not really official. It's not HD high definition. I'm saying it's a decent camera. It's a good camera it's a real good camera. It's HDC. It's high def. You just gotta know how to twerk it. The people that's on YouTube, they just like me. The first day they messing around with it, they didn't get a chance to really, figure certain things out. You know what I'm saying? And the quality is much better once you upload it to the laptop or your desktop or whatever. They got the swivel 2.5 LCD screen. Look, you can swivel up and down too. The lens, that fast. Look, and I'm holding my hand still. I'm just putting the lens up and down. Just Google it. You'll see everything that it could do. I'm just here just to let you know that the camera is a good camera. It's the case right there. Yeah, can't show y'all too much, but yeah, it's all about messing with the functions. It's all about messing with the functions. You know? You know what I mean? You ain't gonna get no better for the price. And then I shot a video in black and white. Really, I just shot a video of a video in black and white, and I'm gonna upload that too, and you're gonna see how good that is. As a matter of fact, let me try to do black and white right now. You know what I'm saying? Why not?